Welcome to Mr. Nelson's YouTube video. Today, this is Unit 3 test, oral. First, Unit 3, operations with rational numbers. Please read each question carefully and choose the best answer. If you are reading these directions, write Cav Nation in the top left corner of this page. Take your time, show all your work, and I know you will rock this test. Make sure to put all your answers on your answer document. Question number 1. Mrs. Gonzalez is purchasing 2.5 pounds of meat that cost $2.80 per pound. How much change should Miss Gonzalez receive if she gives the cashier $20? Number 2. Tanya is making cookies for a party. The recipe calls for 2 2/3 cup of sugar. If she needs to make 3 batches of cookies, how much sugar will she need? Number 3 is at the bottom of the page, 4.7 times 9.3. Number 4. DeMonte has 5 1/2 pounds of candy to use to make goodie bags for his brother's birthday party. If he puts 1/4 or 1/4 of a pound of candy in each bag, how many goodie bags can he make? Number 5. Melissa wants to buy a new purse that costs $59.95, including tax. She has $37.50 in her bank account, and her mother said she would give her $20 for her birthday. Which of the following can Melissa use to find the amount of money she still needs to buy the purse? Again, Melissa wants to buy a new purse that costs $59.95, including tax. She has $37.50 in her bank account, and her mother said she would give her $20 for her birthday. Which of the following can Melissa use to find the amount of money she still needs to buy the purse? A. Subtract the amount her mother plans to give her from the amount in her bank account and add the difference to the cost of the purse. B. Subtract the amount her mother plans to give her from the amount in her bank account. Subtract the difference from the cost of the purse. C. Add the amount in her bank account to the amount her mother plans to give her. Subtract the sum from the cost of the purse. And D. Add the amount in her bank account to the amount her mother plans to give her. Add the sum to the cost of the purse. Number 6. Janice, Tom, and Bobby decide to eat lunch at the concession stand in Austin Sports Center. During the halftime of the football game, Janice purchased a breakfast taco and granola bar. Tom purchased 2 bottles of water and a muffin, and Bobby bought fresh fruit and a large drink. If they have $120 altogether, how much will they have left after purchasing the food and 3 t-shirts that cost $27.93? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid below. Be sure to use the correct place value. Mr. Atkinson has, number 7. Mr. Atkinson has 5 1/4 pound of dry fish. He will put an equal amount of food into 3 containers. How much fish food will be in each container? Number 8. Which expression has the same value as 3/4? 3 divided by 4, because you divide the numerator by the denominator? A. B. 4 divided by 3, because you divide the denominator by the numerator? C. 3 divided by 7, because you divide 3 by the sum of the numerator and the denominator? D. 7 divided by 4, because you add the numerator and denominator and divide by 4? Number 9 is at the bottom of the page. 5/8 divided by 3/4. Number 10. Jose, Jacob, and Michael agreed to evenly split the cost of food and decorations for the party. They spent a total of $162.93 on food and $63.12 on decorations. How much change should Jose receive if he pays for his party with $100? Again, how much change should Jose receive if he pays for his part with $100? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid below. Be sure to use the correct place value. In 2011, number 11. In 2011, Ralph paid $12.95 for a box of cards and 44 cents each for 18 stamps. What was the total cost in dollars and cents of the box of cards and stamps? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 12. Jennifer bought 4.25 pounds of chocolate-covered pecans. If each pound of chocolate-covered pecans cost $2.40, how much did Jennifer pay for the chocolate-covered pecans? A. $10.20 because 4.25 multiplied by 240 is $10.20. B. 8.65 or $8.65 because 4.25 multiplied by 240 is $8.65. C. 6.65 because 2.25 or 4.25 divided by 2.40 is 6.65. D. $1.85 because 4.25 divided by 240 is 1.85. 13. Angela bought 8.42 pounds of gummy bears. If each pound of gummy bears costs $3.50, how much will Angela pay for gummy bears? Number 14. Which expression has the same value as 6 divided by 1/3? Which expression has the same value as 6 divided by 1/3? Number 15 is at the top of the next page. 5 1/5 minus 4/5. Number 16. Sam bought a video game console for $150. He later sold the video game console for 1 1/12 of the price he originally paid. Which of the following statements is true? Sam sold the video games for 13 times $150. Sam sold the video game for 12 times $150. Sam sold the video game for slightly less than $150. Sam sold the video game for slightly more than $150. Number 17. Which of the following is equivalent to 2/3 divided by 5/6? A. 2/3 times 5/6 because you change the multiplication to, or division to multiplication and multiply like normal. Again, A. 2/3 times 5/6 because you change the division to multiplication and multiply like normal. B. 5/6 times 2/3 because you reverse the order of the fractions and multiply. C. 2/3 times 6/5 because you keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and flip the last fraction, then multiply like normal. D. 6/5 divided by 2/3 because you flip the first fraction and divide like normal. Number 18. Which expression is equivalent to 8/9 divided by 3/4? 19. In the expression shown, p represents a rational number. What value of p makes the expression equal a number less than 4? What value of p makes the expression equal a number less than 4? 19. Sorry. 19 is in the expression shown, p represents a rational number. What value of p makes the expression equal a number less than 4? Number 20. A grocery store sells steak for $6.10 per pound. What would be the cost of 2 3/5 pounds of steak? Make sure that you put your answers on your answer document on the back of the test. Hopefully you guys did really well on your review packet and that this test was nice for you because you had already seen these questions in your review packet. I really do hope you guys, and I know that you guys put in a lot of good work, so keep it up and good luck. You should always go back over your answers. So if you have not gone over your answers, make sure you go over your answers and make sure you show all your work in your test booklet.